Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get wrenching.
The TDI 2.0 power unit is a German-made motor from the Volkswagen concern with the marking EA189. This diesel engine has won popularity due to its high technical characteristics and ease of repair. Technical characteristics. The 2.0 TDI engine, CBAB, CLJA, from the VW Group is a turbocharged diesel engine that is installed on Audi, Skoda, and Volkswagen cars. The powertrain first saw the world in the distant 2007. 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan S4 Dr. FWD CUV. The new motor was mandated to replace the 2.0 TDI and 1.9 TDI EA188. It sports a cast-iron cylinder block, with a forged crankshaft and a stroke of 95.5 mm. The cylinders are 81 mm in diameter, with redesigned pistons inside, with a height of 45.8 mm. An aluminum head with 16 valves and 2 camshafts is mounted on top of the block. The diameter of the inlet valves is 28.1 mm, the exhaust valves 26 mm, the thickness of the stem is 6 mm. In the timing drive there is a belt, which serves 100 to 120,000 kilometers. It is desirable to check at 90,000 kilometers. The motor in the underhood. The main difference of the new cylinder head is the transition from pump jets to common rail from Bosch, injection pressure of 1800 bar. Here piezo injectors are used at once, and on the inlet there is a plastic manifold with vortex flaps, which fully open at 3000 rpm. Control of the engine is placed on the ECU Bosch EDC17 CP14. Borg-Warner BV43 turbine is installed on these diesel engines. Let's consider the main technical characteristics of the EA189 motor, 2.0 litre, 1968 cubic centimeters. How much oil in the engine? VW Caddy, Volkswagen Golf, VW Jetta, Volkswagen Passat, VW Passat CC, VW Tiguan, Audi A3, Audi A4, Audi A5, Audi A5, Audi A6, Audi A6, Audi Q5, Skoda Octavia, Skoda Superb, Skoda Yeti, Audi A1, Audi TD, Audi Q3, VW EOS, VW Beetle, VW Sirocco, Volkswagen Sharon, VW Touran, Seat Alhambra, Seat Altia, Seat Exio, Seat Ibiza, Seat Leon modifications. In addition to the standard motor, there is a number of modifications. Let's consider the main ones. The principle of operation of the motor 2.0 TDI, CBAB, CLJA. CBAA, 2007 to 2010, diesel engine with an output of 136 horsepower, an analog of CBAB with a different firmware. CBAB, 2008 to 2011, is a BV43-1874 KXB 419.18 kVAX turbocharged engine with balancer shafts. Its power output is 140 horsepower. CBAC, 2009 to 2010, another CBA motor with 143 horsepower firmware. CBDA, 2008 to 2010, the same as CBAA without balancer shafts. CBDB, 208 to 2015, the same CBAB without balancer shafts. CBDC, 2008 to 2009, motor without balancer shafts with firmware for 110 horsepower. CBBA, 2008 to 2011, motor with 163 horsepower, analog of CBBB. CBBB, 2008 to 2012, 170 horsepower engine with a slightly larger turbine BV43-1880 KCF 419.18 BVAX and other injectors. Sega, 2009 to 2015, CBBB counterpart without balancer shafts. CFHA, 2009 to 2015, second generation EA189 motor with an output of 110 horsepower. CFHB, 2009 to 2015, the same CFHA with firmware for 136 horsepower. CFHC, 2009 to 2015, second generation motor replacing CBDB with turbo BV40-1874 KCB 340.18 AVAX, which has 140 horsepower. CFHD, 2010 to 2015, replacement for CBAC, the power is the same, 143 horsepower. CFHE, 2010 to 2015, 85 horsepower version for VW Caddy. CFHF, 2009 to 2015, analog of CFHA for all-wheel drive vehicles. CFFA, 2009 to 2015, same as CFHB, but with balancer shafts. The CBAA replaced the CBAA. CFFB, 2009 to 2015, same as CFHC with balancer shafts. The motor was replaced by the CBAB. CFFD, 2010 to 2016, is the CFHA with balancer shafts. CFFE, 2011 to 2015, 116 horsepower version for Sharon and Alhambra. CFGB, 2010 to 2015, second generation motor with Garrett GTC 1549 MVZ turbo, which replaced the CBBB and has an output of 170 horsepower. CFGC, 2011 to 2015, same motor with firmware for 177 horsepower. CFJA, 2010 to 2015, second generation motor, replaced the Sega and has all the same 170 horsepower. CFJB, 2012 to 2015, CFJA engine with firmware for 177 horsepower. CLJA, 2010 to 2015, second generation diesel engine with balancer shafts, without particulate filter and under -4 €. Power 140 horsepower, CLCA, 2009 to 2015, the same CLCB, but power is reduced to 110 horsepower. CLCB, 2009 to 2015, a variation of CLJA without balancer shafts, under Euro 4 standards. CBEA, 2007 to 2009, version under American environmental standards of the first generation with balancer shafts with an output of 140 horsepower. CJA, 2009 to 2014, analog of CBEA for the U.S., without balancer shafts, the power is the same. CKI, 2011 to 2014, second generation with balancer shafts, released for the North American market. KAHA, 2008 to 2013, 170 horsepower motor for Audi with balancer shafts, with turbo BV 43-1880 KCF 419.18 BVAX and with Bosch EDC 17CR ECU for Euro 4. CAHB, 2008 to 2012, analog of KAHA, but flashed for 163 horsepower. Kaga, 2007 to 2013, motor for Audi with balancer shafts and turbine BV 43-1874 KXB 419.18 KVAX. Power is 143 horsepower. CAGB, 2008 to 2015, analog of Kaga with an output of 136 horsepower. CAGC, 2008 to 2013, same Kaga, but power is reduced to 120 horsepower. CGLB, 2010 to 2013, second generation EA189 for Audi with turbine BV 43-1880 KCF 419.18 BVAX, 170 horsepower. CGLC, 2011 to 2015, same version with 177 horsepower. CGLD, 2011 to 2015, version CGL with 163 horsepower. CJCA, 2011 to 2013, second generation for Audi with Garrett GTC 1446 VZ turbo and with 143 horsepower. CJCB, 2012 to 2015, similar to the CJCA, but with a 136 horsepower firmware. CJCC, 2012 to 2015, the same model with 120 horsepower. CJCD, 2013 to 2015, 150 horsepower version of CJC. CAA, 2009 to 2016, motor for VW T5 at 84 horsepower. It has a Garrett GTB 1446 VZ turbine and Bosch EDC 17 CP20 ECU. CAB, 2009 to 2016, analog of CAA with firmware for 102 horsepower. CARC, 2009 to 2016, analog of CAA with 140 horsepower. CAD, 2011 to 2015, 114 horsepower version. CCHA, 2009 to 2015, the same CARC, but with balancer shafts. CFCA, 2009 to 2016, is the biturbo version. It differs by a cylinder block with improved cooling, with a different oil pump, with modified pistons, modified thermostat. There is a two-stage supercharger Borg-Warner R2S, which consists of turbines K04 and KP35, and all this is controlled by ECU Bosch EDC 17 CP20. This motor develops 180 horsepower and 400 Nm at 1500 to 2000 RPM. CLLA, 2010 to 2012, engine with Garrett GTC 1459 MVZ turbo. Its output is 170 horsepower. CLLB, 2011 to 2015, similar model with firmware for 177 horsepower. Maintenance. As with all powertrains produced by VW Group, the TDI 2.0 diesel has a recommended service interval of 15,000 kilometers. But some motorists argue that for the safety of the engine, it is necessary to reduce this indicator to 10,000 kilometers of mileage. Repair of the blockhead. Conclusion. Engine EA189 TDI 2.0 is a good representative of turbocharged diesel engines, which are economical and ecological. But, along with this pops up a significant number of shortcomings, which can no longer be eliminated, because they are of a constructive nature. In conclusion, the Engine 2.0 TDI, specifically the CBAB and CLJA variants, showcases a remarkable blend of efficiency and performance. With its advanced technology and robust design, this engine has proven to be a reliable choice for many vehicles. Understanding its features, maintenance needs, and common issues can help owners maximize their driving experience. Whether you are considering a purchase or simply looking to learn more, the Engine 2.0 TDI remains a significant player in the world of diesel engines. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into this impressive engine.